Clothing, proud sponsor of this event as well. Levi shoe is looking pretty crisp and fresh there. Alpine Stars have kitted them out. Get loud, because it's going to be a good one. This is definitely the best and baddest free FMX show in New Zealand, so tell all your friends. Next year we'll be back even better, so spread the word. And Foster warming it up, looking good too. Franklin sizing it up. Doing a bar hump. Looking really good too. Justin turning. He wants you guys to make some noise. What do you reckon, Mitch? Can the crowd make some noise? The more noise you make, the bigger trips you will see. I can guarantee that. Levi Sherwood there. Checking it. White. Jason just wants to apologise. He's been injured off the bike for a while. Franklin upside down. Levi Sherwood's good. Double can. Warming it up. Truman Carroll. Metal Militia rider from Australia. Check him out. D-Boss with a heel clicker. Big heel clicker from the fourth. Check out Franklin, old school Superman. Levi, checking a jackhammer there, not quite though. Oh, massive from Truman Carroll. Let's not forget about Truman Carroll's got a video camera on board. Levi with a backflip. You can check the footage from this in your next Krusty Mag. Going upside down again. Hey guys, get ready to make some noise. That's a while of a heart attack. Look, Levi. We got Levi shirt down the end. Make some noise for Levi. Yeah. Backflip. Did you just see that? Not only was it a backflip, but he took both of his feet off the peg. Oh, wicked. Double Jason White, looking good. Levi's got his foot levers up, check it! Oh, he's tested. Hey guys, if you want to see Levi do one of the biggest tricks you'll ever see in your life, then freaking make some noise. When Levi's coming into that run in, I want to hear you scream. When he's rolling. Hey Franklin, nice C-grab ending. Here comes Levi. Yeah, double can backflip. Is that all you got? Make some more noise. Truman turning down. Check that whip out. What do you reckon, Mitch? Yeah, that was so sick, man. It's got definitely one of the biggest turndowns in the sport. Sweet showing. The louder you guys are, the bigger tricks they're going to throw. Make some noise. Here comes Nick Franklin. What's Nick got for us? Jack it out. Oh, no way. Levi Sherwood sitting up. Yeah, double can backflip. Extra backflip. Holy smokes. Truman. Back of the game. Gentlemen, make some noise for Levi and Truman because they're going to throw some big tricks. When those flip levers are up, Levi, with double grab, you're going gonna see some sick stuff. Nick Franklin, Sam and Superman. Here we go. Levi. Shaolin flip. Make some noise. Some noise for the local hero. Sherman Carroll, no foot of backflip. Warming up. He's gonna go big. Heart attack there from Jace White. Nick Franklin. Going upside down, taking his hands off. Nice, looking good. Levi Stewart's into the game, check it out. Yeah! Palmerston North, make some noise for Levi Stewart. Sherman Carroll, throwing it back the backflip. Jason White, Palmerston North. Nick Franklin, rolling in, going upside down. Yeah! Levi Stewart. Too much. Yeah, Truman Carroll. Stepping it up. Nick Franklin. Make some noise for Nick Franklin. Levi Stewart, make some noise for Levi. Give it up. Make some noise, Palmerston North. Boys throwing it down. If you want to see something big, you better start yelling, because these boys have got some of the biggest tricks in the game. Levi's sticking his slip levers back up. He's got his slip levers on. That means business, ladies and gentlemen. You watch this kid do it. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Check it. Massive anti-roller flip. Mitch, are you serious? Yeah, no, that's pretty much serious. I feel like I'm right there. Down here. Nick Franklin, that's a banana flip. Truman Carroll from Australia, middleman. Yeah, big NBC crowd. That's why I'm showing. Big shell left. Here we go, make some noise. Yeah, Levi. Yeah. Nick with a massive double grab, heart attack. Nick Franklin, you're doing like holding it down. Truman with an Indy. Jace White, double can. Hey guys, Levi Stewart. Give it up for the What's he got there? He's got another pair of goggles. Keep your eyes on Levi. Here we go. Oh yeah, he's got some free goggles. Who wants them? Look at Levi, he's got some free goggles. Yeah, guys. Make some noise for Levi.